السلام عليكم التلاميذ، كيف حالكم؟ أهلا في فصلنا. اليوم يوم الثلاثاء، ونحن في الصف الثاني، الصف اللغة العربية. هل أنتم مستعدون؟ طيب، نبدأ الدرس. طيب، follow your book. Hope you have your book near you. Follow your book page 56. Page 56 à la page 56. So, الدرس الثاني. We are going to do the letter Z today. Z. And with the harakat of Fatha, Kasra and Dhamma. Let's see the first circle here on your right side. Z has a Fatha on it. So Z Fatha, we say Z. Again, Z Fatha, Z. In the middle, you have Z with a Kasra. The sign is down. So Z Kasra, it's Z. Again, Z Kasra, Z. And the last one, Z has a Dhamma on it. So it's Z Dhamma Zu. Again, Z Dhamma Zu. Let's do the reading again. Z, Z, and Zu. Again, Z, Z, Zu. Now let's sit down the alphabet Z with the harakat with these pictures now. The first picture on your right side, you have a flower. We say in Arabic, Zahratun, flower. Again, Zahratun, flower. Again, Zahratun, flower. So, the Zahratun, the Za has a Fatha on it. So, it's Za, Zahratun. The second picture is the name of a boy. It's Ziyad. Repeat, Ziyad. Again, Ziyad. And the Za has a Kasra. It's Ziyad. The last one, it's another name of a boy. It's Zuhair. Again, Zuhair. So the Za has a Dhamma. It's Zuhair. Let's do the reading of these words again. Zahratun, Zahratun, Ziyad, Ziyad, and Zuhair. Zuhair. طيب. Now, same page in your book, in the middle, you have an exercise of the letter Z. ارسم دائرة حول الحرف Z. You have to circle the letter Z in these following words. Let's do the reading first. The first picture on your right side, you have a bottle of oil. How to say that in Arabic? Zaytun. Again, Zaytun oil. Again, Zaytun oil. Again, Zaytun oil. So, can you see where's the letter Z in it? Yes, it's in the beginning, and the Z has a fatha. Zaytun. In the middle, you have button. Bouton. Alors, how to say button in Arabic? Zerun. Again, Zerun. Again, Zerun button. Again, Zerun button. Again, Zerun button. So, where's the Z? The first position, and it has a kasra. The third one is butter. How to say butter in Arabic? Zubdatun. Repeat. Zubdatun, butter. Again, Zubdatun, butter. Again, Zubdatun, butter. Where is the za? In the beginning, with a dhamma. طيب, so you have seen the za in all these words. They are all in the beginning, and the first one has a fatha, the second one has a kasra, and the third one has a dhamma. Let's do the reading again. Zaytun, oil, Zaytun, oil, Zirun, button, Zirun, button, Zubdatun, butter, Zubdatun, butter. So have you circled the letter Z? طيب. Now, following your book, you have a table with the letter Z, the first line, and then we are going to do the reading of the following words. Let's try the first sentence. On your right side, okay, the blue color, you have Zahr. Read, زهر. Read زهر. Then you have زحى. Again repeat زحى. Again زحى. Then زيا. Again زيا. Again زيا. And then you have زي. Again زي. Again زي. And the last one منزي. Again منزي. Again منزي. Let's do the reading. The first line again. زهر زحى زيا زي منزي. Again زهر زحى زيا زي منزي. Let's do the reading of the second line now, the pink one. On your right you have ban. Okay, when you have two fatha, it has the sound of an. We call it tanween, and it's fathatan because we have two fatha. So the sound will be an. So ban, the first one is ban. The second man, man. Then you have lan, len, run, run, zan, zan. طيب, let's do the reading again. The second line, the pink one, begin on your right side. ban, man, lan, run, zan. Again, ban, man, lan, run, zan. طيب, let's try down now the last sentence, the green color. On your right side, you have baban. Again, baban. Again, baban. The second one, qalaman. Again, qalaman. Again, qalaman. Then, faslan. Again, faslan. Again, faslan. Then, jazaron. Again, jazaron. Again, jazaron. And the last one, khubzan. Again, khubzan. Again, khubzan. Let's do the reading of the last sentence again. Baban, qalaman, faslan, jazaron, khubzan. Again, baban, qalaman, faslan, jazaron, khubzan. طيب, try to practice the reading at home. Now follow page 57 in your book. Page 57. الوحدة الثانية. الدرس الثاني, the second lesson. Again, we have the letter Z in the circle up. So let's see how to write the letter Z. In the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of a word. Sorry. The first one, you have زيتون. We learn زيتون. زيتون بمعنى oil. Again, زيتون, oil. So, where is the Z? In the beginning, sit down. And it is separate, alone. زيتون, oil. Now, let's see the word جزر. And the Z is in the middle. Alors, see how it is attached with the jim. جزر, carrot. Again, جزر, carrot. Again, جزر, carrot. And the last one is خبز, bread. And the za is at the end. It is attached with the middle one, the ba. خبز, bread. خبز, bread. خبز, bread. So you have seen how we write the letter za in this word. In the beginning for zaytun, jazarun in the middle, and khubzun at the end. Okay? So في بداية zaytun alone. Then you have jazarun, carrot in the middle, khubzun at the end. And the za always go down the line when you write the word. طيب. Now, same page, you have an exercise to do. Exercise 8. ارسم دائرة حول الحرف الزا. ارسم دائرة حول الحرف الزا. You have to circle the letter za in these words. Let's see. زبدة, the first one, زبدة بمعنى butter. We learn it. زبدة butter. Recite زبدة butter. So where is the letter Z to circle? The first one, okay? زبدة, it has a dhamma, so you have to circle the Z. زبدة butter. The second picture is منزل. منزل house. Read منزل house. Again منزل house. Where is the Z? Yes, it is before the letter lam, in the middle. منزل house. So circle the letter Z only. منزل house. And the last picture is مخبز. مخبز bakery. Again مخبز bakery. Again مخبز bakery. Where is the letter Z? At the end. So you circle the letter Z at the end. Let's do the reading again. زبدة butter. زبدة butter. منزل house. منزل house. مخبز bakery. مخبز bakery. طيب. Now follow down. Exercise 9. لاحظ. Now let's see how to write the letter Z. Alors, like I said before, the Z must be down the line half of it. A letter Z will be on top of the line. Follow how it is written there, page 57 down your book. Okay, the Z and has a dot on it. Then it goes down the line. You follow the arrow. Okay, you begin on top on the line and then go down. And when it is attached, it has to go down the line again, and at the end also down the line. Okay, it's not like dal and dal. Dal and dal stay on the line, but za, the letters ra and za go down the line. So now that you have learned the letter za, how it is written on top, so on page 58 you have a table to fill. The letter za. اكتب الحرف za. You have to write the letter Z, and beware, see the example given, the Z must go down the line, the dotted line here, okay? You follow the example given, and the dot must be on the Z. And when it is attached also, you make it attached, and then you go down the line. You do it properly in your book. طيب التلاميذ. Now you have another exercise to do. Exercise 11. أكمل بحرف الز. Again, we are doing the letter Z. أكمل means to complete. With the letter Z, all these words down. The Z is missing. So the first picture, the Z will be in the beginning, like you can see where's the blank space line. The second picture, the Z is in the middle. And the last picture, the Z must be at the end. And don't forget, like we practiced before, the Z goes down the line. So the first one, the name of that boy is Zuhair. Zuhair. So you have to put the Z separate, not attached with the Ha. And a dhamma must be on it. Zuhair. In the middle, you have Jazarun, carrot. We learned Jazarun, carrot. So the Z will attach only with the jim, the first one, and it goes down the line, and you put a fatha on it, jazarun. And the last one is maqbazun. The Z will attach with the ba, and goes down the line, and no need to put the dhammatan. The Z must be down the line, okay? Maqbazun, bakery. Zuhair, jazarun, and maqbazun. جميل. Now you have another exercise to do. Exercise 12. ضع علامة صحيح تحت الكلمات التي تنتهي بحرف الزاء. So here you have to put a tick under all the words ending with the letter za. Let's do the reading. The first one on your right side, you have the word jazarun. جزر بمعنى carrot. Is the za at the end? No, it's in the middle. The second word is zamzam. Zamzam بمعنى the water zamzam. Where is the za? We have two za here, in the beginning and in the middle. It's not at the end, so we can't take that one also. The third one is mauzun. Mauzun بمعنى banana. Here, where's the za? At the end. طيب. So we have to tick the موزون. Tick this one. And the last one is خبزون. خبزون بمعنى bread. So where's the za? At the end. طيب. So we have to tick this one also. So we have two words to tick. The two at the end. موزون and خبزون. Let's do the reading again. جزر بمعنى carrot. Zamzam is the water zamzam. موزون is banana. خبزون bread. طيب. Let's do down the exercise 30 now. ضع علامة صح تحت الكلمات التي بها حرف الزا. So here you have to tick the word having the letter za, contain the letter za. Let's do the reading on your right side. ملعب. ملعب بمعنى playground. Can you find the letter za in that word? No. The second one is جزر. جزر carrot. You can find it? Yes, it's in the middle. So you have to tick this one. كرة. كرة we learn it بمعنى ball. طيب. Do you have a letter za in that word? No. And the last one is زينب. Zainab, the name of a girl. Can you find the letter za in it? Yes, it's in the beginning. So we have two words to tick. The second one, Jazarun, and the last one, Zainab. They have the letter za. طيب التلاميذ. مع السلامة. See you soon.